about today. Now I'm up on the train in that show. I don't want my madness come out for the train, baby. I'm some of the psychiatrist, the girl mad. Poor them, I know some too sober. Anyway, you know me don't like with some of uno man. Some of uno man because uno live home with the woman and uno buy the little grocery, you know, do the good work. And uno give the woman for buy grocery and have most of the food. Uno want the plate pack up big and high on the table. You can't eat more when your belly can't hold, baby. Some of these men them eat until them belly big like them pregnant. But I know that alone, the man wife pregnant. The man walking down the street with his wife with big belly, he had a big belly. And I'm saying to myself, which one of them going to give birth first? But I know that alone, you're not baby, the woman looking for comfort. Remember the woman belly big and she pregnant and her foot them swell. So she a walk and the man a hold her hand for give her comfort and feel belly big just as big. And the baby not in it. He come in and say him need comfort too. So it one of them comfort each other. What a sin thing when a man yam too much. Yes, you have some man they call him mama man, brother. Then count your drawers, then count your brassiere, then count how much dumpling in the pot. And that alone, they might check the sugar bag, they might check the rice and I see how much of the rice gone and the sugar and the flour gone down. You say to yourself, what kind of mama man this? You like you want you wear one dress till one of the crutches disappear by you. A mama man that. When you have a man and in there walk you know, and every minute he might call you watch you like a dog to a bone. Every minute he might call you watch you like a dog, like a watchman dog. Yeah? And when you reach home, as you reach home, I first you want food. And then go to the kitchen and yam the whole blasted pot of food. When he yam the whole pot of food, he come tomorrow and yam next pot of food. By a couple of days, he asks what the grocery there. What the grocery there? You yam the whole backside of it. And then the grocery there. Stop asking mama man. I don't like mama man. I don't like pussy watchman, pussy police, pussy security and pussy FBI. Don't like them. Yeah, some man too, they call them sugar daddy. No sir, pretty girl nobody take no chance with no sugar and leave the daddy alone. They come like an old parasite. Look like a devil send them come. They want to come in your life and want to come put out menu. They want to come order. They want to order for the menu. What's good on the menu? Yes, baby. Don't bother with them. Then get into them like a sugar and pinch and like a sugar and pinch. Then we get as much as they can give for pretty it up at first. To make it look like you want to spend money because you don't get your crutches yet. But here what you do? Lock down on the crutches. Make it end till in tongue around like when dog want water, when dog overheat. And keep on spend because any day go up in that the same thing there. Lord child. And it starts to sweet when you give him like a sweet smile and pretty make him feel good. He treat you like a dog when him done. My grandmother always said beat the iron while it's still hot, baby. Beat the iron while it's still hot. Take what you can get and go along. Don't stay around and wait for a ring and marriage. Especially if a man done married already. You want to fall in love with him and talk about him all if your wife and come to you. Girl, no waste your time. The man a old baggage. You don't want something we don't use and reject like a goodwill. You don't want a goodwill husband. You don't want a Red Cross husband. You want a good husband you can carry to God. Then the man they walk from one woman to the other, then divorce, them still married, them still a fuck around, and then come to you. What the hell you going to do with that? What you going to do with it? Some of them women you act like them desperate and them a pick it up. What you going to do with that? You're not desperate. You're pushing a one dry piece. I go dry piece one water. You're comfortable. Your crutches on on fire, girl. But what is? But them a sugar daddy. Near more the one of the sugar make the man go along in a pure water. Please. Come to me for your advice. Make them go along. He get up in your crutches, you give him one sweet wine, he want 3 sweet wine. He might order more things on the menu. Next thing you know, he want key to your house. He can't get key to your house, he ain't going to be on the garbage can in your house. Hide around your house and watch your house. You come out and do it, man, and watch your house. You walk on the street, man, and run behind and hide behind car on the road. You know your pum good, but you got to let that motherfucker go. Yes, you know, see the boy when you on the news, why do? He cut his wife, cut off the blasted woman neck. That motherfucker cut off the woman neck. You think somebody's motherfucker, you nice? Wanna see them out here and a pretty smile up with them, he's cute. And everything glitter blood clot gold. Some of them are murder and killer. Keep your pussy to yourself. Respect yourself. Get to know a man before you lay down with him. And even when you think you know him, you don't know him. Cut off the blast to the man head, that motherfucker. Now somebody's supposed to cut off back female. No some prison for years. Sit down and cast a right that motherfucker. Cut off him hold while him still alive. Just get some of that sharp knife them can call me and whoops and cut it off. Cut off 2 man blasted neck. All parasite, all evil. Take away the woman life, just like that. Son of a bitch like them, if you be careful, who wanna put in a pussy and who wanna put in a pussy with. You have murderers out here. Killers out here. Envy out here. Bad mind out here. Wicked people out here. Up there out here. Keep on a pussy seal. You hear me telling you? Glue it up like a crazy glue up that ass and hold it straight. These motherfuckers don't respect nobody's life when they like that.